Top 6 incredibly short-living animals. Number 6. Monarch Butterfly, 6 weeks. Ironic situation for a monarch butterfly happens to be one of the beautiful among the animal family, but can live up to 6 weeks. It is considered as the most recognized one from North America and have been encountered since 1871 in Australia and New Zealand. One shocking fact about monarch butterflies is that they can fly thousands of kilometers as part of migration and travel in right directions. Usually, they tend to migrate to Mexico after spending either summer or winter to survive the rest spring season in northern regions. Number 5. Worker bees, 8 weeks. Worker bees are the female bees, which lacks the full reproductive capability. It can live up few weeks to months depending on the external weather conditions. Additionally, they maintain about 34.4 degrees Celsius temperature inside the hive to incubate the eggs. Depending on external weather conditions, the worker bees either deposit chill water around the hive or generate body heat to maintain warm conditions. Unlike the ants, the bee family as well consists of a bee queen, which can live up to 5 years. Most of the worker bees are born in the autumn that continue to live only till the following spring. Number 4. Housefly, 4 weeks. Housefly, as the name says, is an insect found mostly in houses, which was evolved in the Cenozoic era similarly as a commensal of humans from the Middle East. A fully grown adult can live up to just 4 weeks. About 8 mm in length, a female housefly can lay up to batches of 100 eggs at a time on organic waste such as food or fecal matters. Over a period of housefly lifespan, the female ones can lay 500 eggs. The insect is almost found everywhere on Earth with distributions from almost whole of the world. Number 3. Drone ant, 3 weeks. There are over 12,500 species of drone ant till date, which is believed to evolve from 99 million old evolved wasp-like ancestors. Drone ants are found almost in every continent except Antarctica. The shortest living ant species is figured out to be just 3 weeks. The whole idea behind the lifespan is to help the queen in reproduction. Drone by name is just the caste among the ant colony, which segregates from queen, soldiers, and workers. Finally, the queen handles the entire ant colony and lives up to 30 years. All the worker and soldier ants are females. Number 2. Gastrotrich, 3 days. Gastrotrich is a microscopic worm-like animal found in freshwater and marine areas. About 3 mm in length, the animal's lifespan lasts just for 3 days. They normally tend to feed on dead and living organisms. Further, their body plan is simple with just head, brain, gut, reproductive and sensory organs. For reproduction, Gastrotrich use a special tubular-like structure to get attached to other organisms for reproduction process. The eggs will be hatched in less than 4 days in perfect environmental conditions. Number 1. Mayfly, 24 hours. Mayfly is by far considered as the shortest living animals on Earth, which have a lifespan of just 24 hours. Mayfly's immature form of life is produced in the aquatic areas in almost completely clean fresh water. There are about 3,000 species under Mayfly, and the lifespan of each can just vary between 30 minutes and 1 day. Very shocking to know that the insect doesn't consist of mouth parts and the primary intent of life being is for reproduction. Further, Mayfly Delania americana is by far considered as the shortest living species under mayflies with just 5 minutes of lifespan.